You guys, you're being so sweet and cute with one another. What are you guys eating? You're eating bones?
It's not. And then we're just sucking on them.
You're sucking on the bones?
Yeah.
Are you guys still hungry?
Uh-huh.
We'll have to make more bones. Lover, come here and look at this. Ask him what he's eating.
He's eating the bone.
Yeah.
Sweet bones.
I'm just sucking on them. I'm sucking.
Alright.
Grace, what are you eating?
He's eating one too. Hey, buddy.
Oh, no thanks. It looks like you've licked it clean. There's some beans left on that plate. You guys could totally eat the beans.
Ah. She doesn't want me. She wants the bone. Yeah.
You're not a dog. How is it? Is it good? You wish there was more meat on it? Grace, what do you have?
Oh.
Bone. Good? You guys have both matching shirts on today. It's been all day long and I... Only what?
Gracie has flour and I don't.
Yeah.
That's because I'm all different.
Because you're all different? All done, Bone. Bye-bye, Bone. What? What was that? Fat? Grizzle?